two combination eh.
He's trying to...
I like that oh, partner.
Exactly. Quick. Oh! Wow! That was a huge punch. Partner, when you see that...
Matapos makuha ang Philippine Games and Amusement Board Filipino welterweight title, ay muling napalaban ang binansagang jawbreaker, ang tubong Cebu City na si Joe Noynoy, at para naman ito sa bakanting IBF Pan-Pacific welterweight title. Ginanap ang nasabing laban noong June 17, 2023 lang dito sa Pinas. Nakalaban niya ang dayong Indonesian na si Larry Siwo na dati ding WBO Pan-Pacific welterweight champion. Di din basta-basta itong kalaban dahil bukod sa mas veterano ito sa bakbakan at dati ding champion ay mas matangkad din ito at may mataas na knockout percentage. May record itong 31 wins, 13 losses, 27 dito via knockout, 4 lang sa mga tinalo niya ang umabot sa kamay ng mga hurado. Habang 20 wins, 3 losses, 2 draws, 8 via knockout naman ang Pinoy na may alias na jawbreaker na si Noynoy. Pero kampante ang Pinoy dahil sa Pinas ginawa ang laban. Gustong ipakita sa kanyang mga tagahanga kung paano niya wasakin ang mas malaking kalaban at makuha ang bakanting titulo. Kaya naman sa gabi ng laban, kahit duguan, ay pinamalas pa din ni Kabayan ang galing at tibay sa bakbakan. Dahan-dahang nilasing ng mga suntok itong dayong Indonesian. Ating balikan ang madugong laban ni Joe Noynoy kontra dayong Indonesian na si Larry Siwo.
Famous in the international arena for knock in the 5th round, right?
Doon sa Australia ginanap yun. Kay go to 147. Ang alam natin si Larry Siwo is a legit.
Right. It comfortably at welterweight.
Ang ganda yung bali, ang ganda dyan.
Meditate, yoga, and pagre-retreat sa mga resort resorts dyan sa Bali.
Mong pato sarili kong obserbasyon, pwede pa to bumaba ng konti eh. Mga
Right.
140 baka kaya pa ni Seven.
Yes, ayun nga, tama, Gerald, ano kanya.
So, ang tinalunan niya. So, he is now campaigning dyan sa welterweight 147 pound division.
Process, no? And that one knockout from
Pumikpik. So, 8 to parang gano'n.
Larry Siwo, on the other hand,
Tubong na chocolate galing Korea eh. Medyo na kami, bibigyan niya na ako.
head in a left. Remains his
Basic.
You know, you shouldn't underestimate the power of Joe Noynoy.
Binabati ko si Franco Asmulo. Shoutout. Mukhang si Coach Titing
Two
nila.
left hand by
Yan ang pasalubong. Pero tama yung obserbasyon. Kapansin kasi nung medyo flat-footed siya.
yeah, you're right. Good observation, partner.
Diba, bout between Joe Noynoy of the Philippines against Larry Siwo. Kasalaki, I think saka legitimate welterweight talaga to si Larry Siwo. I think there's a cut on the left eyebrow. It could be because of accidental headbutt. Hindi naka-continue ang isang fighter. The decision will be given as a technical draw. So hopefully walang mangyaring ganon. Who is watching from Kidapawan City? Baka Raymark Gabalio. A nice back. Shorter fight against Joe Noynoy. Pero meron siyang cut sa left eyebrow due Binabati ko si Edward Smith who is watching. Okay.
We're checking the cut on Joe Noynay's forehead.
Dalawa na silang parehong may cut.
Right.
Okay. The blood is trickling in dun sa so it's gonna be a long way to go dito sa laban na to. Oh! What a combination by Joe Noynay.
Down the Joe Noynay, it might be deceptive na makita nyo siya na ganyan, but
Yes.
na a little.
Kahit naman nasa lower weight siya. Oh!
Joe Noynay was able to slip those punches. Good head movement by Joe Noynay.
Oh, again.
Another huge left by Joe. Good right.
To have that flurry 1-2
Exactly.
combination eh.
Trying to
I like that oh, but
exactly. Quick. Wow! That was a huge punch. Partner, laglag lang, partner. In the power
Hulog.
of that punch, Larry Siwu is still a little stunned. The power of Joe Noynay. Right now,
he's hitting the body para bumaba yung guard.
right. And if anyone questions his power at this weight division, I think you have your answer,
Yes,
partner,
yeah.
right? Oh, wow. Just